Welcome to this exquisite custom-built home, a stunning example of modern luxury and thoughtful design. Situated on a spacious 0.34-acre lot with no immediate neighbors, this residence offers a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. With a generous 3,073 square feet of living space, this home boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, providing ample room for both relaxation and entertainment. As you enter, you are greeted by the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that define this residence. The heart of the home is the gorgeous and modern kitchen, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, sleek countertops, and custom cabinetry. This culinary haven is sure to inspire the chef in you while offering a stylish space for family and friends to gather. Throughout the home, tray ceiling features add a touch of elegance, creating a sense of grandeur in every room. The large living room provides an inviting space to unwind, with abundant natural light enhancing the warm and welcoming atmosphere. Step outside into the expansive backyard, where you'll find a retreat of your own. The large backyard features an above-ground pool, perfect for cooling off on hot summer days and creating lasting memories with loved ones. Additionally, there's an additional dwelling unit at the back of the property, presenting an exciting opportunity to transform it into a mother-in-law suite or a private guest quarters. Whether you're enjoying the tranquility of the spacious lot or entertaining guests in the beautifully appointed interiors, this custom-built home offers a lifestyle of comfort and sophistication. Contact 𝐒𝐭𝐮𝐬𝐭, your friendly realtor and investor. Thanks.